Hi everyone and welcome to Garlic Greens and Company. Today I'm going to make giant couscous, which is also known as pearl or Israeli couscous. It's very easy to cook and makes a delicious and healthy alternative to pasta, rice or the classic couscous. And so for the upcoming season, I'm going to include Brussels sprouts and pomegranate to give it a truly festive character. Start by peeling and deseeding the pomegranate. Next, trim the root end and thinly slice the spring onion. You can prepare the pistachios in advance. Just put them in a clean freezer bag and crush them using a rolling pin. You may also make the vegetable stock. We will need 300 milliliters. Now we are going to dice the aubergine to fry it. Pour enough oil into a large frying pan to cover the base and over a medium-high heat, fry the cubes, stirring from time to time for about 5 to 7 minutes or until well colored on all sides. Then, using a skimmer, remove from the pan into a plate with 2 or 3 layers of kitchen paper, sprinkle with a bit of salt and set aside to drain. Next, heat the oven and prepare the Brussels sprouts. Trim the base, peel off and discard any damaged outer leaves and cut them in half lengthwise. Rinse well and transfer to a roasting tin. Drizzle with some olive oil, season with coarse sea salt and freshly ground pepper and toss until well coated. Roast in the middle of the oven for about 15 minutes. In the meantime, we can prepare the couscous. Finely chop 2 garlic cloves. We also need half a teaspoon of ground turmeric, mild curry powder and ground cumin, 1/4 of a teaspoon of mild paprika powder and a pinch of cayenne pepper according to taste. For the best results, use a 16 cm non-stick saucepan if serving 2 or 3 people. Heat the oil and swirl it to cover the bottom of the pan. Reduce the heat to low, add the garlic and fry for about half a minute. Add the spices and couscous and toast over a medium-high heat, stirring all the time for another minute. Then, pour over the vegetable stock. Remember, the water to giant couscous ratio is 1 1/4 cup of water to 1 cup of giant couscous. It's easier if you use measuring cups or the container you've measured the couscous. This way, you'll be sure that you have the right amount of water. Bring the stock in couscous to a boil, reduce the heat to low, cover with the lid and cook for 10 minutes. While the couscous is cooking, check the Brussels sprouts. If they have already roasted for 15 minutes, remove the tin from the oven and add the chickpeas. Sprinkle with a bit of paprika and curry powder if you wish and stir well. Return to the oven and cook for a further 5 to 10 minutes or until the sprouts are done. After the couscous is cooked, set aside and let it rest covered for about 4 minutes. Then, fluff the couscous with a wooden fork. Meanwhile, chop the parsley and some mint leaves. Now that all the ingredients are cooked and ready, let's put everything together. Dip the couscous into a large serving bowl. Add the Brussels sprouts and chickpeas, aubergine, chopped herbs, spring onion, pomegranate seeds, and pistachios. Mix well, taste, and adjust seasoning if necessary. Your salad is now ready to serve. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty vegan and vegetarian recipes every week.